Just in case you've been wondering if you should pay for Inshot Pro, or probably you have Inshot Pro and you are still trying to figure it out, I mean, this video is for you. I made this video to show you how the Inshot Pro works. So just in case you're considering it, you know what it comprises of. So you know what you're purchasing. You're going to know if it's great or not. If spending your 4,700 naira, I mean $17, is great or not. So as usual, it's still Chisom Belinda. And just in case you're new to my channel, just click on the subscribe button. I love you so much. Let's get right into this video. So I'm sure that after this video you agree with me that the 4,700 naira investment you're going to be paying a year, like this is for a full year on this Inshot app, is extremely worth it. There are so many features of this the Inshot Pro, that I want to show you. As in, I love the Inshot Pro. I'm glad I have access to it right now. So let me show you. Let me just pick a video. Let me just pick a video like I used to do, like I always do. Okay, I'm going to pick this video. It's long enough. I'm going to be picking it. So what I'll do first is, so the volume does not interrupt what I'm doing, I'm going to remove the volume totally. I'm just removing the volume because I don't want it to interrupt what I'm doing. So not like I'm removing it because you must remove it. Okay, it's exciting to teach again. I'm serious. I love teaching. It's so exciting. So let's go. So now here you see, first of all, what you notice is okay, let's leave the music part. There's nothing special about the music part when it comes to Inshot Pro. Sorry. So what I noticed is okay, so what I noticed is for the stickers, you have access to all the 6 stickers, like all the stickers, amazing stickers, except you decide not to download it. As you can see, they're amazing, except you decide not to download it. So you can just decide that you want to go download all the stickers this amazing app has to offer you. I mean, look here now, I've not downloaded a lot of them, but they are a whole lot. They're a whole lot. Now you have free access to all of them. You can use all of them, because if you have not paid for the app, you see some of them will show you they are paid for, they are to be paid for. So what this does for you is that it gives you access now to all the amazing stickers this app has. I mean, the stickers on this app are amazing. I love using the stickers, so I won't lie to you, they're amazing. They just ease your work, like just make your videos look very colorful. So if you, as you can see, I've not downloaded all the stickers, but the few I've downloaded have been amazing. I mean, have been amazing. So I now have access to all of them, like all of them. Before, you see that you have to pay something for this, but now I can now download all of them. I can have all of them. I can use any one I feel like doing. They're all on my beck and calling, as you can see. So let me leave downloading these things, because I don't want to bore you with downloading all these things, but I'm just trying to show you that you have access to all of them. You have access to all of them, so you're not going to be asked to pay anything anymore once you've paid for the Inshot Pro app. All you just have to do is dive in and start using the stickers. All stickers are okay. That being said, you can use any of the stickers. Once you come to stickers, see, I've downloaded a whole lot of them, so I have all of them, amazing stickers all there, wanting my use. Don't mind me. So I can download all the stickers. That's the amazing part, and use them to make your videos very, very creative. Use them to make your video very, very creative. So as you can see, they're so lovely. So aside that, let me go straight into the one that is even shacking this my head. Let me go straight to the one that is shacking this my head. When you come right to the filter, you go to effects. You know that most of these effects are always telling you pay. But now you have access to all of them. I mean, all of the effects. See, and this is one of the things that are shacking my brain. I will not lie. Paying for this app was the best thing that I did. I'm really amazed at how much creativity I can put in. See, you can increase the strength of what you're doing, of the effect. See, there are beats, like this could make your videos, even pictures. So if it's picture like this, you can bring your pictures to life by mere using the Inshot Pro. Like if it's a picture, it even looks more amazing. It brings your picture to absolute live. Like it brings your picture, like all these things you're seeing, shaky, all these things you're seeing, you can apply them on pictures too. So imagine you have plenty pictures you want to put together, and you want it to be amazing, you want all this kind of, imagine you want this, boom. Oh my god, I really don't want to talk much, but I know how amazing it is using this. No, these are actually not necessary, but they are part of what you've paid for, so I'm just showing you what you get to gain when you pay for the app. So there's another thing amazing. When you come to style, you will notice that you can blur your background. Hey god, there, if you see how this one is to suit me, you notice that you can blur a part of your background using this one. Can you see that? So you can also can you see that? Can you see, increase the strength, you can reduce the strength, you can decide that it's top and down. You can, but I prefer to use the circle one. So you can imagine blurring your background easily now using the Inshot Pro app. Then aside that, see the celebrate, this is like my best part. I love to use this part, like this part of Inshot Pro. Like I love the celebrate part. I love the whole, you know, everything it comes with. It brings life, total life to your video. When you pay for this app, please don't underutilize it though. Don't underutilize it, especially for creatives who love to shoot comedy and all those kind of skits and stuff like that. So I've shown you that, which is amazing. And then I'm going to show you the filter. This filter, now let me tell you the amazing part of this filter. You know, all of you who want to achieve all those, see, I couldn't have been able to use this filter if I had not paid. You know, all of you who want to achieve those amazing filters you see on social media, maybe, but so you can achieve any kind of filter when you have paid for this app. So me, I like to use I always like to use, what's the name of that one I use? So yeah, I think is I can't remember the one I I've forgotten, but I utilize anyone that looks good on my skin, because I like a glowing skin. Whenever I have to shoot post videos, I like my skin glowing. Lastly, I'm going to be showing you how much of the transitions you have access to. So here you go. Let's go. So if you look at this is a video I created for a client actually. See how amazing it looks, because I have actually touched it in all ramifications, so it's cool. Can you see I used one of the effects on this to bring out this from celebration, to bring out the glitters, the stars, I mean. So let's click on where you can fix in your transitions in between this video. Click here. Now I have access to all the transitions, all unlike before where you have where I had access only to the basic because I didn't pay for the app. But now I have access to using any of the transitions I feel like I want to use. So it's amazing, right? So it's honestly amazing. So it's great. So I'll say paying for the app was not a bad idea anyways. So basically when you pay for this app, those are the amazing features that you have access to. I mean, the filters and the effects and the stickers like I showed you. So I'm sure paying for this app now feels amazing to you. Like paying for the app now feels amazing to you. So let's get going, get creative. Thank you for being my amazing guest today. Sorry guys, thank you for being on my screen today. I love you. If you've gotten to this point, just know that I love you so much. So much. Mwah.